Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the disadvantages of using Microsoft PowerPoint. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Our content for today is provided to us by the sister company of Microsoft, LinkedIn.com. Thank you so much LinkedIn for providing us this information. Disadvantages of using PowerPoint. Number one, over-reliance on slides. One of the main drawbacks of PowerPoint is the risk of over-reliance on slides. Some presenters may become over-rely dependent on the software and rely heavily on the slides to convey information. This can result in a monotonous presentation style and a lack of personal connection with the audience. Number two, information overload. While PowerPoint allows for the inclusion of multimedia and other visual elements, it is essential to strike a balance. Excessive use of graphics, animations, and transitions can overwhelm the audience and distract from the main message. Presenters should be cautious not to overload their slides with unnecessary information. 3. Technical difficulties. PowerPoint presentations are susceptible to technical difficulties. Issues such as software compatibility, formatting errors, and equipment malfunctions can disrupt the flow of the presentation and undermine its effectiveness. Presenters should always have a backup plan in case of technical glitches. Number 4. Lack of adaptability. PowerPoint presentations are often linear and follow a predefined sequence of slides. This lack of flexibility may limit the presenter's ability to address specific questions or digress from the set of structure. It can also make it challenging to accommodate individual audience needs or adapt to unexpected changes during the presentation. Number 5, potential boredom. If not used effectively, PowerPoint presentations can lead to boredom and disengagement. Long text-heavy slides with minimal interactivity can lull the audience into a passive state. Presenters must strive to keep the audience engaged through effective storytelling, verbal presentations, and audience participation. PowerPoint is a powerful tool that offers numerous advantages for creating visually compelling and well-organized presentations. It can enhance the audience understanding, engagement, and overall experience. However, it is crucial to recognize and address the potential disadvantages to ensure that PowerPoint is used effectively as a means to convey information and not as a crutch. By striking a balance between visual appeal and content organization and audience engagement. Okay, so this article was published by Zobin Kapadja. So thank you so much for watching guys. I hope that you have learned something new on the disadvantages of using Microsoft PowerPoint. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.